So when you're waking up so early, you get kind of some crazy ideas. Today, we're gonna attempt to attach an airsoft gun to this drone and get it functional so we can pull the trigger and shoot the enemies down, because I'm sick and tired of losing at airsoft. The hardest part is getting the trigger to work remotely. I wanted to get the cheapest receiver I could buy, so honestly, the cheapest one I could buy was this remote control car. So we're gonna try to hack up this remote control car. Instead of like turn the tires or turn the wheels, whatever I decide, we're gonna get it to pull the trigger. So when I like, push down on this, pull the trigger. So when we're flying the Mavic, for only $10 on Amazon. I had to be honest. It's a super good deal.
It should be like $50.
Back in the day, it would have been.
I know, I'm surprised.
Let's do this! All right. I want to take some weight off this car because I don't know if the payload's good enough for the Mavic to hold. Okay, let's see. Oh, that's for the lights in the hood. We don't need those lights. So, going to unclip this. Here we go. LED lights up in the hood, which is super awesome, but I don't need that. Should we use the steering to pull it? Because then I'd have to go like this. The rear tires have a more powerful motor, and I'm thinking we might need the more powerful motor to pull the trigger, because it's kind of a hard trigger to pull. So maybe we should just take the front stuff off to reduce the weight. So this is the receiver right here. This is a little antenna. You see that little antenna? So this is a very important part. And then here's the motor. That's also important. Honestly, what if we just dissect it all the way down and then build our own little thing? Look at that, it's 4-wheel drive. You guys see that all-wheel drive system? That is incredible. I cannot believe that. That's how we do things here, man. My toolbox, it's broken. Oh crap, don't cut those wires. Oh my gosh, this whole project will be over before it started. I didn't. So I've got the receiver with the antenna hooked up to the motor. Now I need it to pull the trigger. Maybe if we took apart the airsoft gun, we could figure out a way to just make the trigger pull quicker. I don't even think it comes apart really. Wow, it's like I want to look, but I also don't want to look. Because honestly, all it is probably like you need to touch two things together. And if we can just like rig this into there, actually just electronically, maybe we won't even have to pull the trigger. Should we do it, man? Is this gun expendable? You know what, it's worth a try. If we could literally just like circuit it, so like this plus and the minus go to the plus and the minus here. Oh my gosh, wouldn't that be a hack? That'd be a hack worth remembering. A remote controlled airsoft gun. I would give myself an award if I could figure that out.
Oh, that's illegal.
Hardest part is gonna get this all back together. So here's the motor, here's the trigger. See, there's the simple little trigger mechanism there. We don't need that. Let's take that off. When this touches that, it's on. When that's like that, it's off. Okay, so on and off. So all we need to do is make this on and off with this thing. So we literally just need to make the circuit connect. Transplant this battery out for this little circuit right here. And then basically the motor circuit, we need to take those wires and put those on there. Oh my goodness. Oh. Red, yep, red's plus, black is minus. I need to cut this off the motor, but I need enough slack here. Oh crap. Okay, yikes, I did it. So I'm literally just gonna do an old school stripping thing here because I have no equipment. Use my teeth.
I can't stop eating these.
The croutons?
Yeah.
You only have so much wire to work with when you're doing this without a soldering gun and you don't have any even electrical tape.
DIY.
Do it yourself with like literally scissors. That's what we're doing here.
So entertained.
My dad taught me how to do this.
Not me too.
It's like strip them with your teeth. See that? Alright, so now instead of this going to here, I need to take this off. And I'm hoping this receiver is going to work with the extra voltage through here. But honestly, I have no idea. Alright, so I'm gonna take these batteries up just so we can test it out. And if it works, oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, the power connected. Oh, yeah, the receiver is working. No, there was a connection made with the remote control. Oh my god. Because the light stopped blinking. Oh crap, that like almost worked. Jacqueline, we're so close. Oh man, I actually got that circuit to work, but the motor's not working because the motor's a different motor. You know you want to go. Maybe we have to hook the green one up. Maybe it is a complete circuit actually. So, and I'm only gonna lose $10 if this doesn't work, and some time. But I'm gonna gain some solid experience. Ready, fellas? All right, connected. Oh, I did it! I did it! Oh, yeah! They said I couldn't do it. All right, let's hook this bad boy back up. We got it. Did you see that? Did you see that? Oh, I'm so stoked. All right, we gotta hook this gun back up because we got our remote control circuit to work. Yes! Baby, you saw that, right? Did you see that? You witnessed it. All right, now I gotta hook all these gears back up. It's gonna be the hardest part. Alright, pieces are missing, but that's okay. Because we just want to play. I need to get all these wires on the outside just so if anything goes wrong, I don't have to take this gun apart anymore. Trigger works. Thing isn't attached to the thing though. Oh! Look at that! Oh! I did it! Okay, I did it. Oh my goodness, turn it off. Just gotta hope those wires don't get pinched and they break, because that would just be so stupid. Just because we wanted to save ourselves a little bit of time, we didn't make little slots for the wires. Like, I know, we're almost done. We're just gonna literally duct tape this thing on the drone. Guys, I'm telling you, 9 out of 10 times, my ideas like this, they never work. And like, I wanted to do this, and I'm absolutely out of my mind crazy, I know. And I had no idea how to do this. I was thinking doing it all mechanical, but after thinking about it for a second after opening this thing, I realized like, why not just do it electronically and take the receiver off of the remote control car and use the receiver to power the trigger for the motor on this, so it's all electronic. Whoa, I cannot believe that worked. Oh my goodness, I'm so stoked. All right, let's put a BB in there. All right guys, so I came to a more scenic, desolate area to test this thing out because I don't know how the neighbors would react flying an airsoft gun around the neighborhood. This is so gonna be sick. None of the neighborhood kids would let me play with their toys when I was a little kid. I wonder why. How perfect. That was like made to go on there. Are you guys seeing this? This is incredible. There is no way that's not gonna work. Ready to fly? Oh! This your airsoft gun? Dang, what the heck? That one's pretty legit.
I'm gonna win.
Alright, shoot. Got my wife there who's gonna verse me in an airsoft battle. She's gonna be using her little pistol, and I'm gonna be using my machine gun drone. Try to turn all this on to make sure it all syncs up, and hopefully the final problem that we could run into is somehow the receiver could interfere with the drone receiver, and if that is the case, I'm gonna cry, because we made it, there's so many obstacles. And it works. Test out the drone. Oh! It did it! Alright. So, if I pull the trigger, will it work? Oh! You can see it coming out of the thing. Oh my, look at, I see the baby shooting out.
Yeah.
Oh! Oh! It wants to land, like it either wants to land or it wants to keep going up in the air because it senses the weight. Just like that. That worked like I dreamed it would work. Like seriously, that was incredible. Alright, this time guys, we're doing me versus my wife, alright? Just put your glasses on because I don't want you to poke an eye out. You only have one. Jeez, buddy. All right, let's battle. Ah! Fly away. I think you did. You can drop little poops on you. I can fly way away. Alright, now I'm coming back down. I'm coming back down for you. Can't believe it actually works from this distance. Whoa! Did I even get you? Act more scared. Act scared. This is scary. You gotta act scared. Oh! Ah! What? Oh! No! Is this the craziest thing you've ever seen? I can't believe I actually got this to work.
That's a good one.
It said critically low aircraft landing, so I had to grab it out of the sky, you know. Maybe you did. You hit it right there on this thing.
Oh, really?
I think you did. Oh.
I know I hit it.
You would have poked its eye out if I hadn't put the goggles on it. So when you wake up at 4:30 a.m., you got a lot of extra expendable time to think about strange stuff and actually try them out. So I'm so happy that worked because I'd had to scrap that whole video and then this whole day would have been to waste. But that's going to be pretty interesting, pretty cool. And you can see if you took that to a more, you know, professional standard and really got into things, if you were like an electrician or like an electrical engineer, you could probably rig something up really insane for one of these drones, man. You'd cream it in Airsoft. Jeez, I've never heard of that before, but honestly, nowadays they probably already have an Airsoft drone. But I've never heard of it before, so I literally just made one. That's why you stay in school. You stay in school so you can learn stupid stuff like that. Actually, no, not at all. My dad taught me how to rig stuff up, like super jank like that, but so I owe that to him. Thanks Dad. Oh man, poor little car. Sorry, some of you guys probably didn't want me to shave, but you know what? It'll grow back in a couple of days. I really hope you guys enjoyed that experiment. I'm still just blown away that it actually worked. But anyways, I need to get editing now because it's even later. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Peace, you all have a good one, and I'll see you tomorrow.